Hey all, it's Harmon from Misfit Adventure, and for today's Friday Night Fights, we'll be going Mugen 1 Screenpack Remix, and what we'll be doing is we'll look at adding in specific screen packs. We've had requests for certain ones, haven't been able to find that one yet, so really happy to do a test drive for anybody who needs one in the requests, but appreciate that and keep them coming. So, first we're on the Network Guild at Potts Mugen, and we went ahead and got this screen pack off here. So that's going to be really all we need for this for right now. All right. So as I've downloaded it, we can see it here. All right. So where do we want it to go? Well, first, we're going to want to go into data. In the data folder, we're going to name one exactly like this. So Mugen 1 Screen Packs Remix. So new folder, Mugen 1 Screen Pack Remix. Great. All right, let's go ahead and extract it all. All right. Okay, I think I have multiple ones open right now, so that's fine. Okay, so in here we now have in our data folder all we really need. So let's always look when we take certain creators work unless we've completely made this ourselves, and that's its own tutorial in and of itself. Let's first, I have the README already open. So we did exactly these steps already, but now let's go into the save folder. So we're going to go back out into save, and we're going to open this up. So we're looking for the line that says motif. And I'm sorry, this is kind of hard to read. So we are looking down. There's Sound Arcade. Here, I shot past it, and I apologize, but you just gotta look for it. So okay, here we are under config. So that's a good note to remember, and we'll put that in the description. But here we see motif equals data mugen system.def. So we're just gonna need to change it. I think we'll stick to the 16:9 ratio, and we're gonna keep that in there. But real quick, before we do that, let's just go ahead and remind ourselves what it looks like so we get a good before and after. All right, so that's our current screen pack. Apologies there. Current screen pack, which has, we have this kind of setup. That's our basic one. All right, let's exit out of that. That's fine. And then let's go ahead, pull back up our config, and we're going to really just copy and paste this line. So what this is doing is it's just telling us where it's going to draw it from. So, man, really easy to forget where you just had it, isn't it? Good note for anybody who kind of goes back and forth sometimes. It's under the Options tab. We're looking for config. Okay. And we're just going to replace this line right here. All right, we've saved it. Let's go out and test it right now. And there we go. We have our completely new Screenpack with music and all other. All right, everybody. That's been a quick how to do a Screenpack tutorial in IKEMEN Go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy gaming.